Trouble Tracker tonight is showing us that we have a chance of rain later tonight, and then later on this time tomorrow, chance of snow is very likely and will cause trouble, as well as some wind and cold for your Wednesday. Currently though, right now in the here and now, 40s, mid 40s all around the valley tonight. As we head into the overnight though, those temperatures will drop, but not nearly as much as they will this time in 24 hours. And I'll get to that later on in my forecast. But right now, let's take a look at Viper radar, starting to show that rain sneaking into our area, especially up in Trumbull County, and sneaking in parts of Mahoning and Columbiana counties tonight. This is part of a system that will bring with us eventually some cold, snow, and a mixed precipitation, even with a chance of that in the forecast over the next 24 hours. And this is a much larger system that is affecting many Americans tonight and will impact us overnight and over the next several days. So future tracker right now taking us to tonight in the mid 40s for tonight. That will quickly change as spotty showers will continue throughout the night. As spotty showers will continue. Highs tomorrow, as for your Wednesday, into the mid 40s, but this will be the last time for a few days at least that we will see temperatures that high, as by the time the afternoon rolls around, more rain showers will roll in, which will eventually fade overnight into snow showers for much of the area. Now, I'm not expecting a lot out of this, but keep in mind we haven't had a whole lot of snow and mixed precip for much of this winter. So this may be a shock, and this may bring some trouble to communities out there. As going into Thursday night, that's when the cold really begins to kick in, with those winds coming out of the west and temperatures only into the 20s for highs. And that, as I said, that wind is going to be whipping overnight Thursday. So it'll bundle up. It's going to feel like it'll be in the teens for much of the day on Thursday. By Thursday afternoon, I'm expecting most of the area to remain snow-free, except for the snowbelt areas in Trumbull and Mercer counties. They will continue to see snow for much of this duration of this event over the next few days, as temperatures will continue to tumble over the next few days, down into the 20s. But tonight, rain showers in the forecast, a low of 36 degrees, with fog likely in spots. I'm not looking out for widespread fog, but it will be hit and miss, and you will have to watch out for that tonight as you travel. But tomorrow, 43 is the high, and that will come during the middle of the day. But watch for those drop in temperatures, as scattered rain will eventually fade over to snow as we get into the evening hours for your Wednesday. As far as what to expect through Thursday morning for your snow, I'm looking at most likely 1 to 3 inches in places, but areas north at most 3 to 5 inches. Columbiana County, you'll see the low end of this most likely at half an inch to an inch at the most. And as we look into your 7-day, Thursday is when things will get really, really dicey, with windy conditions and snow in the forecast, with a high of only 26, dropping into the teens overnight into your Friday morning, with snow still in the mid-20s for Friday and Saturday. But we will get a break from the precipitation on Sunday and rebound slightly into the mid-30s before our next system of rain moves in here for next week, Monday into Tuesday. Trouble Tracker tonight has rolled out the red carpet for us, as we have picked up some rain and snow in our forecast for the next 24 hours. Now, I'm not expecting the snow to get here until tomorrow night, but it will cause some troubles, certainly, and that's why it is in our Trouble Tracker tonight as we head into the overnight hours. But currently, temperatures in the mid-40s for much of the region, beginning to dip into the 30s up in Bristolville, as our lows tonight will get down into the 30s as this rain begins to move into our region, beginning in Trumbull County and starting to spread into Columbiana and Mahoning counties here tonight, And this is only going to continue for the next 24, 48 hours, as this massive system will bring with us rain and then eventually cold enough to become snow, and even possibly a mixed precip thrown in there for good measure as we head into Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. So let's time it out for you right now here on Future Tracker. Temperatures will dip down into the 30s, as I said, tonight, with spotty showers throughout the night, possible in just about every area in our county. I'm looking right now at temperatures beginning to climb into the 40s for your afternoon, but that will be the last time, or at least for a few days, that we will see temperatures that high, as here comes this cold front that is bringing more of that snow and precip into the forecast by this time tomorrow night. As we head into the night on your Wednesday, temperatures will begin to fall down once this snow begins to move into the area. Into your Thursday night and into Thursday morning, beg your pardon, temperatures will begin to slide down into the 20s with that wind whipping, it will be whipping. With the wind whipping, it will feel like it'll be in the mid-teens for your wind chills. Much of the snow gets out of here by the time Thursday morning rolls around, but I'm looking at snow to continue in our northernmost areas in Trumbull and Mercer counties, as lake effect snow will continue to affect those areas, while the west of the area will just experience cold, blustery conditions for much of the day on Thursday into Thursday night, with temperatures dipping down into the 20s and into the teens in spots. So tonight, 36 is our low tonight, with fog possible in the forecast, but rain showers will remain a constant, and they will remain scattered throughout the entire night tonight. And then heading into your tomorrow for your Wednesday, scattered rain, high of 43. That will come early in the middle portions of the day. And watch for, as tomorrow night, that rain will turn over into snow. And I'm not expecting a ton of snow out of this, but I'm expecting enough to cause some issues out there. 1 to 3 inches possible in most places. Columbiana County, you will only see about a half an inch to an inch, and at most we'll see 3 to 5 inches in those snowbelt communities in northern Trumbull and Mercer counties. For your 7-day forecast, Thursday, snow in the forecast in the high of only 26, down into the teens for Friday and Saturday nights, with highs only in the 20s and a chance of snow each of those days. Boy, we'll finally get a break in the forecast of precipitation on Sunday, but highs will only be in the 30s. Before we head into Monday, that's when we'll get our next big break in the temperature department. But I am looking out for some rain showers to stick into the forecast for Monday and Tuesday of next week, with highs peaking in the 50s, and I wouldn't be surprised if there was a 60 thrown in there in spots.